Yes, good evening, good morning, whatever time you're watching this. My name is Samuel Ibanda, and I'm here to share something very, very important. Now, I know that most of us are pursuing CPA, or either you're pursuing ACCA, whatever course that you're doing. I'm here to share some guidance because I've been on this journey and I believe that I can help you also become certified public accountant or whatever qualification that you're pursuing, especially in the area of accountancy. Now, I want to appreciate you because you're part of my channel because I know that you are searching for knowledge. So I'm a certified public accountant and I work with one of the big four audit firms, that's KPMG. And before joining the KPMG, I worked with Save the Children as a partnership finance lead, but also worked as a finance manager in the NGO world for a couple of years. So I have some experience that I want to use to share with you some nuggets, especially for you who is aspiring to become a certified public accountant. Now, I want to say that the choice that you have made of going to study or choosing to study this qualification is one of the best decisions that you'll actually be proud of as your career progresses. Even before you finish, let's say maybe level one or level two, level three, there is a lot that this profession is actually going to add to you. Myself, it has really helped me, and I am who I am because this course played a lot in my career. The opportunities it brought my way, um, the people and the network that I've been able to create out of this, and the money definitely that has also come out of this. It's not something that I really regret. Now, there's some of you that are doing this course and you're having challenges. Either it's about maybe you're struggling in terms of how the papers are going, how you're attempting the papers, or you're struggling financially to even pay for some of these papers, and you have that mind asking yourself, is this worth it? So this is what I want to say. I want to say that CPA is worth the money. Whatever you're investing in this journey, whatever time you're putting into this journey, it is worth it. I know you might be still wondering, should I go do masters? Should I do this at ABCD? All those things are very important and they are very, very good. But it's very important for you to have this professional course. And I want to tell you, not to lie to you, that for me, from my opinion, I think CPA is better than a master's for somebody who is just getting out of university. Before you even aspire to do a master's, because masters, you want to master. So before even you master all that, you need professionalism. You need to earn this professional qualification. And I'm so glad to be part of the tutors that are tutoring this paper at Achievers Professional Trainers. And I believe that whatever we are doing currently is to help students become professional accountants. I've done several videos on this channel, and when you go through, you'll be able to appreciate our mode of study, especially the online mode of study. We also do physical classes, but especially the online mode of study. Now, that online mode of study is to create convenience for you, especially those that are working up country, those that are also living out of the country, outside of the country, and want to still pursue this professional course. So it's a good opportunity that even as we teach you, myself, I'm practicing accountant. I teach you from practical point of view because I want you to learn these concepts from point of view. If I speak about bank reconciliation, I want you to learn the bank reconciliation from the practical point of view of what exactly do we do in the marketplace, in the job market. Very important. So this course is very important because once you do to create opportunities, even before you finish it, and if you learn from people that are qualified, people who understand these concepts even much better, you'll be in a position that can help you translate even this knowledge to the marketplace. I usually tell my students that I teach financial accounting and other papers that the knowledge you're getting, the bank reconciliation, the knowledge on say maybe suspense accounts, the knowledge on preparation of financial statements. When you go, for example, and maybe you're facing a panel that is asking you, how do you prepare financial statements? The same knowledge that you've gotten out of class is the same knowledge that you can be able to present to them. So it's not just about passing, but it's about understanding, getting the knowledge, understand how practically this is actually applied to the outside world, and seeing how you can translate it right there. If you're already progressing on your course and you're getting there, I want to say that keep on the same line, keep on that line, give it your effort. Of course, it's not a cheap course, it's not an easy course. It is a course that you need an effort to pass. Why? Because at the end of the day, we want you to make sure that when you get done with the course, you of value. There is value that you can bring to the marketplace, and that is why the content, the exams are there to test. Are you ready for the marketplace? Because when you're ready for the marketplace, the businesses benefit from you, your employers benefit from you, but even you as an individual, you're able to have confidence as a profession. So it's not easy, it's not hard. We have gone through the course for ourselves, and it is something that you too can be able to pass. So if you're planning to do exams, I want to share with you certain strategies that you need to utilize, especially this year, to finish your course very early. Now, I want to say that it's very important for you to have um, a structure in terms of what papers are you doing, and not only just understanding the papers you're doing, but you also understand how are these papers structured. Why I usually encourage people, look out for a syllabus to understand how these papers are structured, because once you know how these papers are structured, it will help you even plan how you're going to go through these topics. But also, this the syllabus is like a compass that will guide you even as you proceed through, to ensure that you're not leaving any topic outside. Remember, this is you're just about spotting. The examiner can set any question. So it's very important that you have a structure, you have your reading plan as an individual, have the syllabus somewhere, and always look out for the syllabus to see if you're in progress, based also on the timing that you have towards the exam. It's also very good for you to ensure that creating time to read, either in the night or either in the morning for your exams. Not only that, it's also very important if you can have a discussion group for with your colleagues to be able to go through some of these concepts. The other is also to think about is to do extensive research and other information. You cannot just get a set of information and feel that is enough. Research and get more information about the concepts, how practically they're even used in the field. Because when you're responding to some questions, the examiner wants you to draw knowledge from the field. Not only that, I usually encourage my students to use past paper questions. Now, like for example, for ICPA Uganda, these are past paper questions. Now, when you go through past paper questions, they help give you an idea of how exams can be set. And at the end of the day, the examiners are not going to get questions from heaven. They're going to get questions from the past paper questions. So you looking through the past paper questions and testing yourself after every topic that you're done help builds your confidence, but also helps build your speed. Because for some exams, it's not just about knowledge, but it's about how fast you're able to write your exam. So those are important strategies that can help you. But above all, it's also good for you to have determination and know that you're not just working for the pass mark of, let's say, 50 or 60, but you're working with a pass mark, a mark that you'll be proud about. If it's a 80 or 90, it's a mark that you'll be proud about, because at the end of the day, if your transcript has marks, what marks do you want to present to a person who is looking at your academic documents? And you want to stand out at the end of the day. You don't just want to finish CPA and that is all. You want to ensure that you finish your qualifications, show you as a person who stands out, but also in terms of your knowledge and understanding, you are an expert. Some of us are teaching this paper because we gave this our all, and we are now regarded as experts in the market. So I hope that this gives you an understanding and a picture of why you need this course and what exactly you should need be doing this year in 2023 to pass this CPA exam. So thank you so much for listening. This is Coach Samuel Ivanda. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I would encourage you to subscribe and invite all your other CPA students or colleagues. Share with them this link so that they can be able to watch this valuable information, but also the several other videos that I'll put on this. If you can also be able to reach out to me, I'm also usually available, and I will leave my contact in the description of this video. And I would like to chat you and see how we can help you pass the CPA exam. Thank you so much, and I wish you the success in your coming exam for the CPA exam. Bye bye.